Hey guys, how's it going? This is Matthew Arnez, and I'm here to do a review on Brent Daniels' TTP program, Talking to People program with Wholesaling Inc. Let me just start off by saying that when I started this journey, or just thinking about entering this type of industry, I didn't really know what program to go through, and so I looked into, just did my research online and try to figure out what would be a right fit for me, and I came across Wholesaling Inc podcast, and long story short, Brent Daniels, one of the main guys there. And so I thought, hey, if I'm going to do this, I feel like this is the right guy. And man, was I right. Like, Brent Daniels is an absolute legend. He is so awesome to work with. His program is great for, just learning how to enter into this industry. And when it comes to lead generation, the most cost-effective way to generate leads is from cold calling. And he just teaches you so well how to be a sniper on the phone, and it's just an absolutely incredible program. It's structured perfectly and it outlines everything that you need to know to close your first deal and to just really get comfortable and confident with knowing what you need to do, and just having the interaction with him, one-on-one interaction. You have group sessions as well. But I mean, I couldn't recommend it enough. If anybody came to me and said, Matt, what program would you tell me to get into, I would definitely say a good place to start and to look into, do some research into, is TTP program. So Brent, thank you so much for helping me out. I've been killing it ever since I joined your program. In July, I have just recently locked up a deal for $55,000, and I'm going to be closing on one that's $60,000 today. And so I couldn't be more grateful for you, man. Thank you so much. Everyone out there who's looking to join something, I definitely recommend you looking into Brent's program and just seeing what he's all about. He's great. So thanks again, Brent. Appreciate it. Thank you to everybody at Wholesaling Inc. and everyone that is going to be new into the industry. Good luck. Take care.